Learn the key methodology to prevent failures before they happen. Introduction to Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. What is the primary focus of Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, FMEA? A. Detecting failures after they occur. B. Preventing failures before they occur. C. Correcting failures after customer complaints. D. Documenting failures for audits. Answer is B. Preventing failures before they occur. Which organization adopted FMEA after its origin with the U.S. military? A. World Health Organization. B. NASA. C. ISO. D. European Union. Answer is B. NASA. Under which quality standard is FMEA a mandatory practice? A. ISO 9001. B. ITF 16949. C. Six Sigma. D. Lean Manufacturing. Answer is B. ITF 16949. What is the term failure mode refer to in FMEA? A. Customer satisfaction survey. B. Ways a product or process can fail. C. Manufacturing defects only. D. Quality audit checklist. Answer is B. Ways a product or process can fail. Which risk assessment parameters are used in FMEA? A. Severity, occurrence, detection. B. Cost, time, quality. C. Frequency, impact, control. D. Defect rate, yield, response time. Answer is A. Severity, occurrence, detection. What does a higher risk priority number, RPN, indicate? A. Lower risk priority. B. Higher risk that needs attention. C. Greater customer satisfaction. D. Fewer failure modes. Answer is B. Higher risk that needs attention. Which of the following is not a type of FMEA? A. Design FMEA. B. Process FMEA. C. System FMEA. D. Product reliability FMEA. Answer is D. Product reliability FMEA. Who should be part of the FMEA team? A. Only quality auditors. B. Cross-functional team including design, production, maintenance. C. Only top management. D. External consultants only. Answer is B. Cross-functional team including design, production, maintenance. Which scenario typically requires conducting an FMEA? A. Routine office cleaning. B. New product launch or process change. C. Monthly financial audit. D. Employee trainings unrelated to production. Answer is B. New product launch or process change. What does the term effect refer to in FMEA? A. Root cause of a failure. B. Harmful outcomes of a failure impacting customers. C. Maintenance schedule. D. Failure documentation. Answer is B. Harmful outcomes of a failure impacting customers. Which of the following is a common mistake when using FMEA? A. Maintaining it as a living document. B. Copying FMEA only to pass audits. C. Following up on actions identified. D. Including a cross-functional team. Answer is B. Copying FMEA only to pass audits. What is the goal of the FMEA prevention culture? A. Maximize profits ignoring defects. B. Zero defects delivered to customers. C. Reduce audit requirements. D. Document failures for suppliers. Answer is B. Zero defects delivered to customers. When should FMEA documentation be updated? A. Only during initial product design. B. Regularly as a living document. C. At end of project only. D. Never after first release. Answer is B. Regularly as a living document. Which column is not typically part of the PFMEA structure? A. Process step. B. Financial cost. C. Severity. D. Detection. Answer is B. Financial cost. True or false? FMEA should be used only for quality auditors to satisfy compliance requirements. A. True. B. False. C. Not applicable. D. Sometimes true. Answer is B. False. Can you fill in the blank? The three main parameters in FMEA risk assessment are severity, blank, and detection. Answer is occurrence. Arrange the steps of the FMEA process flow correctly. Options: A. Identify failure modes. B. Define process steps. C. Assess risk and take action. D. Identify failure causes. Answer: B. Define process steps. A. Identify failure modes. D. Identify failure causes. C. Assess risk and take action. Which benefit is not directly attributed to effective FMEA use? A. Reduced warranty costs. B. Stable manufacturing processes. C. Increased audit failures. D. Proactive defect reduction. Answer is C. Increased audit failures. Thank you for learning about FMEA and its vital role in quality management.